Jimette everybody, in this video I want to show you how you could create limit orders for Meteora. And since day one actually I thought, would it be great if I could create or enter a pool when a specific price is triggered. And there were no functionality for it in Meteora, so you have to wait and create the pool manually. And I came across a tool, and with the tool you can do that, and you can do even more. So let's have a look how it works. What is a limit order? First of all, with a limit order you can it's like a trigger for when the price goes below a specific price range or above. You can trigger an action and sell, or in a buy action, and in our world we can create a pool, for example, after a specific price is triggered. And I came across a tool with the name Liquid Nova, and Liquid Nova is a tool where you can create, manage and automate Meteora pools. So it's basically a workflow engine where you can specify actions like create position and then if conditions, and what happens when the price goes cross above a specific range, what happens when the price goes below a specific range. So you can create like take profit or stop loss with it. You can swap tokens when the price goes above an upper range, for example. You can close the position, so you can automate a closed position, swap tokens, fees, and so on. You can auto claim fees, for example. When your position is open, you can, for example, every 15 minutes swap the fees, and you can even swap the fees into USDC, for example, not to Sol, but USDC, but also into Sol. So you can automate the whole process, and they call it automation strategies, which is very, very cool. And I will create a dedicated video where I will showcase you how it works or how I use it. But in this video, I want to show you how you can create a limit order. So open a pool in a specific range. So I already did it here. So I created a limit order when the price goes below this price here. It created for me a pool. So this is the pool. It was created automatically after the price got below my price point. So let's have a look. Let's create this limit order. So we need to go to create strategy, and what we need we need the pool contract. So I go to the pool in Meteora, and here I can take the pool contract and copy paste it here. So now the pool is loaded, and now we scroll below, and then we can configure our position. On the right side here there are templates, predefined templates. They are pretty good describe what they do, and you can take it as a starting point and change them, but we will do it manually, and in an extra video I will showcase how you can take these templates as a start point. So when we go below, we have this builder for your strategy, and the first thing is create position. Right. So obvious, we need to start here, and this is actually very similar to what we do in Meteora. So we have to decide which type of deposition we create. A balance of 50-50, so two-sided or one-sided token or one-sided sol. In our case, I want to do a one-sided sol. We choose the strategy. I choose the bid-ask strategy, and here comes the magic. There is an option price trigger, so we can turn it on, and here we can decide when this pool will be created, and the condition is above or below. So when the price goes below a specific price target, the pool will be created. So I go to my chart. I have to choose here to change it to sol, because we have the sol position, so we need the sol price to the token, and here I have it 30939. So zero. We can do it like this. I can double click here and we can take the price from here. Let's see if it works. Yes, it worked. So we have the exact price from the chart, and when the price goes below, the pool will be created. So let's decide on sol. Let's test it with a small size, and the position range could be a bin mode, price, or percentage. So we take the bin mode and we go with 69 bin range, and what we can decide is the threshold. That basically means a certain point where the price goes below or above, do something. So we can create a condition for this level. So for example, when we want to create a stop loss, we could go with 69. When the price goes below, out of range basically, then close the position, swap fees, and maybe do some more, like create a new pool, token only, and bid ask for a bounce, for example, or anything else, or a new pool with the same setup again. Or we can go with 60 bin. When the price goes below this level, then close the position. So you can decide what you do. Same with the upper range. So this is the lower range, and we on the right side we have the upper range. So when the price goes out of range from the upper position, we can do the same. We can decide what should happen. So we have our limit order here. What we do now, we can create a condition for what should happen with path A, path B. What it actually path A is above the range, and price and path B is below the range. So above the range, we can say wait some seconds or minutes. So for example, wait 3 minutes or wait 30 seconds. So it's up to you. Same here. We can have this condition here, and then we can decide swap tokens or wait some time, repeat strategy, create position. So we could close the position when the price is above, then we can say no, immediate, close trigger, like close immediately. And same here, we can close the position non-immediately. So here what we could add is a swap token. So it would be great when we close the position also to swap everything that we have with another token to Sol. It will save time. So in this case, this other token to Sol, swap, and because it could be volatile, so take care of the slippage here, and 100% will be swapped into Sol. So same here, swap token condition, and you're all set. So what would happen now, the position will be created automatically without you sitting in front of your monitor and create the position. The position will be closed when a certain level on your pool will be triggered. So when it goes above, the position will be closed and this token will be swapped. Same with the lower range. So when you go out of range, the pool will be closed automatically, so it can go lower down, so you can increase your impermanent loss, and you can close the position and swap the fees, and you can close it even before these token get out of range. So this is a basic video to show you how quickly you can create something like a strategy and automate certain steps and do not care about it. So you can just create this strategy and leave it, and will be triggered automatically. You can do more complex stuff, and I will show you it in another video. I hope you can test it out. It could be a fun thing to do, and do it with some lower amount of Sol for testing reasons. And when you are confident that you can apply this in your daily LP, then you can go and test it out with some bigger amounts. Hope you like it. Let me know if you have, if you already tried it out, and if you have questions. And join their Discord; they are very helpful. And yeah, have a good week. See you in the next video.